I just want to start with when we were doing PhD in IIT Delhi, we were facing a lot of issues in getting the facilities R&D for our R&D. And that time we thought, okay, if this facility information will be at one portal, it can be leveraged to many researchers like we were facing problem that time. With that we concept, we started talking to various researchers so that we can collect the data. And one day we collected those data. I talked to Dr. R. Chidambaram about this and I informed, and the next day he came he went to Prime Minister office and he talked to him. And next day he called to our then the chairman, Professor Navakant Bhatt. Why not we should have a national portal about this? This idea looks very good and it will really give the optimal use of resources what we are creating using the public funded things. Okay, like taxpayer money. So with that idea, we started this iSTEM, and this idea what it started and currently it's really going in good way. It is helping a lot of startup industry, the researcher who are really looking for that kind of facilities. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology have established many facilities in the country like IISc Bangalore, IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay, and especially in electronics, Center of Excellence in Nano Electronics, and one of that kind of facility we have in our Center for Nanoscience and Engineering. So such programs are already existing by the government of India, and they have implemented various programs for boosting the electronic industry. And through iSTEM, all these facilities are listed, and if they need, they can surely get the support from these facilities too. So we will have the technical review of those things first, and we will see how they are much interested, whether they are just trying to make the money only after some year to sell it, or they are really serious about the product what they have in their mind. So we are going to choose in on that basis, and maybe surely some target number we have every year to support as per the proposal and scope. So we will see that way, and we can see how much we can support. But this will be a partial funding to them. Phase 3 is quite away after 5 years it is, but yes, we have planned. Whatever we are thinking to develop in phase 2, like indigenous equipment concept, what we are trying to build a system, ecosystem, so that people will understand the value of manufacturing at indigenous level. And after that, what we are trying to think, if this kind of technology will be developed in our country, we should have really a good market for that. And neighboring country are looking to us. They are looking like US. We are the US for them, right? US, Japan, Germany, this developed country like that.